Open page 109. Let's do exercise 3 and 4, page 109.
Volume 1.
Sorry, 4 and 5. Yes, volume 1.
Teacher, yesterday, number 4, we didn't know anything. We don't understand anything.
Yes, yes, I will repeat
because-
again. I will repeat again. Because the internet went off.
Yeah.
Type. In exercise 4, I will write for you the measure of each angle in the triangles given below. You will just find the sum of these angles. يعني نحن ما نعرف بهيدا السؤال يا teacher. You will study, you will notice the sum of all angles in any triangle how much. انتم مش مطلوب منكم تعملوا measuring للangles بالtriangle, okay?
Okay.
So, I will give you now the measuring of each angle given in this triangle, in these two triangles. Each one composed of how many angles?
3.
Three angles. Okay. This angle measures 30 degrees. This one measures 60. This one perpendicular, so it measures 90. Right angle.
Teacher, but إنه تحت in the line we write all these.
This one, yes, 15, 135, 30 degrees. سارة الأمين. سارة. Sarah,
Yes, teacher.
tell us which angles here are acute angles.
15 is acute angle.
15 degrees. Give me another one.
135 degrees.
135 degrees acute.
No, it's obtuse.
No, it's
obtuse.
It's
من بين الانجل يا سارة هي هيك فتحة تمها. Obtuse angle. It measures more than 90.
It's 30.
سارة. سارة.
Yes, teacher.
بدي اسمع صوت سارة please. Give me an acute angle other than 15 degrees.
13 degrees.
30 degrees. برافو. طيب. سلمى. سلمى. سلمى تامر.
Yes.
Salma, give me obtuse angle. Which angle here is an obtuse angle?
135.
Bravo, excellent. طيب right angle, Salma.
90.
Excellent, proud of you. Proud of you, Salma. Thank you.
لازم هلا نجمعهم كلهم.
Selina Abede.
Yes.
Give me acute angle other than 30 and 15.
60.
60 degrees. Excellent, bravo. طيب, now let's find the sum of all angles. What do I mean by the sum?
We have to add them.
We have to add them. So 30 plus 60 plus 90, add them equals how much?
180.
180. Excellent.
We write 180 or we write 30 plus.
You will write like me.
Okay.
Type. The second one, we will add which angles?
50 and 135 and 30.
135 and 30. It's how much?
180.
180. Bravo, Adam. So what do you notice here? In any triangle, what is the sum of all angles in any triangle? 180 degrees. Excellent. ما بيتغير السم يا teacher. إذا تغير السم معناتها احنا عاملين measuring غلط ونحن مش مطلوب منا الميجرينج. يعني دايما the sum. Yes, teacher.
بس ما فهمت كيف بدنا نعرف الرقم.
انت ما مطلوب منك تعرف الرقم يا علي الغريب، مطلوب منك بس تحفظ هيدي انه the sum of all angles in any triangle is 180. دايما جمع كل الانجلز باي triangle 180.
Teacher, today we will do things on the worksheet.
هلا بالورك شيت انا حقلكم كيف بدي استخدمها لهيدي القاعده اللي هون اللي انتم حتحفظوها. حتى نعمل calculation. هقولكم كيف نستخدمها. Okay, so please write this one for study.
Only this one?
Yes, what do you notice? The sum of all angles in any triangle is 180 degrees.
We're gonna do 5.
Yes. هلا ما exercise 5 we will notice the sum of all angles in a quadrilateral. يعني rectangle, square, parallelogram, trapezoid, whatever.
Okay.
بالquadrilateral, what do you notice? How many angles do we have? 4 angles. برافو. بالتريانجل عندنا 3، بالquadrilateral عندنا 4 لأنه عندنا 4 corners 4 vertices.
مس يعني بكلهم كوادر هاب بكونوا فورس
yes. لأنه الكوادريلاترال بنعرف نحن يا علي غريب من السنة الماضية الكوادريلاترال composed of 4 sides not more than 4.
Yes.
Okay. So I will give you the measuring. Here it's 60 degree. Here it's 50. Here it's 130. And here it's 120. In other quadrilateral بالparallelogram the opposite angles are equal. يعني إذا كانت هيدي 70 the opposite to it also 70 بالparallelogram. This one 110 also the opposite to it equals 110. Yeah, let's find the sum of all angles in any quadrilateral. 60.
360 in the first one.
Bravo, 360 plus 130 plus 120 plus
equals
50
360
equals 360. The second one 70 plus
70
plus
280.
350
300
50
لا
50
حسن it's wrong here
360.
360 برافو
صح لازم يكونوا مع بعض
360. So what do you notice here? What is the sum of all angles in any quadrilateral?
360.
360. So the sum of all angles in any quadrilateral. هلا حقلكم انا طريقه سهله كيف بعرفهم انه الصم هو 360 من دون ما اعمل ميجرينج للانجلز.
مش ما هو شو مالنا بأنجل بس بنعرف إذا كوادراتر أو شو هو وبنكتب الرقم.
بالضبط هيدي هي. So write for study.
We solve the first one يا teacher and then
Yes.
we write.
Teacher الكوادريلاترال انا اذا عملت انا خط هون بالكوادريلاترال. اوكي؟ طيب هيك بكون قسمت الكوادريلاترال حامحي الانجلز بس حتى فرجيكم. If I draw a side in the middle, okay?
Yes.
Then I will divide the quadrilateral into how many triangles?
Teacher, we have to know the miss.
Teacher, أنا قسمت هلا.
180 with 180.
Bravo, Mustafa. Proud of you. Excellent. So I divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. هيدا triangle وهيدا triangle. 2 triangles. طب ما we know from the previous question the sum of all angles is 180. So here 180 and here 180. 180 and 180 equals 360. يعني 360 هي double لل 180 هي double 2 triangles. Okay?
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. That's it. We're gonna work in the worksheet.
Didn't understand.
So, who said I didn't understand?
هلا نجم.
Hala Najm, you will just study that the sum of all angles in any triangle equals 180 وin any quadrilateral 360. هلا بس تخلصوا هيدا الاكسرسايز انا حفرجيكم كيف بنستخدمه لهيدا السؤال كيف انا بجيبه بالاكزام. اوكي؟
Teacher, now on the worksheet.
Yes, yes. Yeah, tell me when you finish in order to erase.
I'm done.
I'm done from a long time.
Teacher who finished bring the worksheet.
Yes, bring it.
I'm done.
Okay. Teacher, we want to cover the homework or we start with number 1?
Yeah. Can I erase teacher?
Yes. Yes. No. No.
Yalla, hurry up, please. Hurry up. Yalla, faster, please. The one who entered now, take a screenshot. I can't wait. Yalla, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Who is still writing? Yes? Teacher? Yeah. Now extra sheet. طيب. Before we start with the extra sheet, I will tell you how we will use this question. Yeah, let's do example together. For example, when I say calculate the angle AOB. Okay? عندنا نحن أنا بعطيكم triangle. هون عندنا A وهون عندنا triangle AOB. Okay? This angle, for example, measures 30 degrees. Okay? This angle measures 60. You want to measure this angle without using a protractor because I didn't say measure, I said calculate. يعني you have to show me calculation. How do we find the measure of this angle? طيب. نحن we know that. What is the sum of all angles in any triangle? 180. طيب. We know two angles, 30 and 60. 30
Yes.
plus 60, how much?
90.
90. How much do we need from 90 till 180?
90.
90. So what is the measuring of this angle?
90.
90 like this. يعني أنا بجيب لكم السؤال بهيدي الطريقة بدكم تعرفوا missing angle.
Teacher, but it's 50 plus 60.
Yes.
How 50 plus 60?
Yes, محطوطة في
Yes.
teacher.
لا 30 plus 60.
No,
Teacher,
teacher,
it's an
50.
example.
Ah.
Okay? So, in order to find the measuring of the third angle اللي هي missing angle, first step, what shall I do? I will add the two given angles. 30 plus 60, how much?
90.
90. طيب, we know that the total sum in any triangle equals 180. So 90 plus which number equals 180?
90.
90. So OAB equals 90. That's it.
مش يعني هن كلهم 90 ولا سي هي هون
هيدي الانجل اخر وحده هي
لا قصدها
90.
هي الميسنج لاين هو 90.
الميسنج انجل.
قصدي انجل.
طيب.
Teacher, but it's acute.
Not this an example.
الرسم غلط يا فرح. مش هيدا الموجود معكم بالاكسترا شيت. Yeah. Let's start with exercise 1.
Okay.
On the extra sheet complete. Why teacher هيدي الورك شيت اللي هي الانجل you have to print it لانه عنده ما فيكم ترسموا الانجلز يعني انتم هون ما فيكم ترسموها الا اذا بدكم تشتغلوها على اللابتوب.
Yes, teacher. Miss, yesterday I forgot to tell my mother because I wasn't in home, so today I will tell her quickly.
طيب pay attention. عندنا in exercise 1 4 angles, okay? In the first box you will name the angle, in the second one you will measure it, and the third one in nature. طيب what do I mean by name this angle.
What is
And we put a hat in its name.
Straight.
Name, لا, name, it's not straight, acute, obtuse. Nature means, is it straight, is it acute, is it obtuse, or right? But when I say name,
teacher, like
And B and we
Bravo,
put
Farah.
a B hat.
excellent,
UFE.
excellent. Bravo, we name it by using 3 letters, N, B, M. The vertex, it has to be in the middle.
The B we put like a hat on it.
Bravo, because it's the vertex. طيب.
Yes.
So let's start with Mahdi Hamza. Mahdi. طيب مالك سأسوق. مصطفى نجم.
Yes.
Mustafa, name the first angle.
NBM or MBM.
Bravo. يعني we can start with N or we can start with M, but the B دايما the vertex it has to be in the middle, okay?
Yes.
Bravo. Thank you, Mustafa. Mustafa Madani.
Yes,
How much does it measure this angle?
90 degrees.
How much?
90 degrees.
90. Bravo. So no need to use a protractor. Why, ya Mustafa?
Because it's right.
It's
Because we know
straight
it from
line.
its shape.
It's shape L, so perpendicular. حطوا عنا مثل هيدا البوكس، هيدا بمعنى انه هن perpendicular. لين
Yes.
شعبان.
Yes.
If it measures 90 degrees, what is the nature of this angle? Acute, straight?
Right angle.
Bravo, right angle. Excellent. So right angle. Okay, Mahdi, the second one. Name the angle, please. KTC. برافو. Or CTK. طيب هلا ما نعمل لها measuring. كارن وزني. فرح سلمان. فرح
Can I do
سلمان.
it, please, teacher?
فرح سلمان. فرح.
Can I see it?
فرح سلمان. طيب فرح شبلي.
Yes.
طيب we will measure it together. Okay, I will open the open board.
130 and outside.
طيب بعد كلمة أي حدا بجاوب من دون إذا ما عاش حيشتغل معنا أبدا. It's not your turn. You are not allowed to answer without permission. Now your Farah's turn. Please.
Teacher, I measured it.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So how do we measure it? We will use what?
The
Protractor.
Protractor. طيب. I hold it. Where should I place the center of the protractor? At which letter يا فرح?
On
T.
At T. Yeah, Mustafa, stay silent.
Okay.
At T. And the zero line, where should I put it?
We put it on C here.
Line, not at the point, on the line TC.
Yes, on
Right. Here on my protractor, the line touch zero from where? Where is zero, where it's written, out or in?
It's in.
In my protractor.
Teacher, I can't see your protractor.
Me too. Yes, also me.
And me too. Let's see your protractor.
Type, I will share it again.
Teacher,
Now,
أنا عندي
now.
Slow.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Look ya Farah. In
Yes.
my protractor, I will use which scale, in or out?
In.
ليه in?
Because if we use the outside, it will be obtuse, acute.
ما بيهمني أنا acute و obtuse، بيهمني اللاين it touch zero from where, in or out in my protractor.
In.
شوفي لي الان من وين بلشوا، من أي رقم عندي بالبروتراكتور؟
180.
طب how I will use, I will start with 180 counting.
No.
We have to start from where?
From the outside.
From the outside. Zero is written outside, so I will use in my protractor outside. انتوا بالبروتراكتور اللي إلكم ممكن تكون الزيرو هي موجودة على الانسايد سكيل، بس أنا موجودة على الاوتسايد سكيل. I will start with 0 till I reach the point K. يلا يا فرح. 0
20
30
40
50
50
yeah,
60
70
70
80
80 90
100
100 110
120
130
130. انا فيني طول هيدا الخط حتى اعرف اكزاكتلي قد ايه. فيني طوله للكي، يعني فيني مدها لفوق 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 واوصل وشوف لعند واصل لعند اي رقم. اوكي، يعني هيدي الكي انا فيني طولها قد ما بدي. نحن قلنا ما بهم. اوكي
يس.
هيا
تيتشر انا عندي
فيني طولها للكي قد ما بدي. لحظه شوي.
بس المهم إنه تكون measures 100.
Okay. Then I will put it again and I will measure to know exactly how much. لشوف حتى اللاين دائر بأي point. It's not exactly 130. Did you see?
It's 132.
يعني 129 130. اوكي انا ححطها 130. اوكي it's 130. انا اوكي 130. So فينا نطول نحن هيدا الخط قد ما بدنا نشوف لوين واصل. اوكي so we have to use the outside scale, so it's 130 degrees.
Yes.
Okay. طيب.
Okay.
Before we continue the nature, let's do the second one. Measuring. Ali Mohsen, how do we measure the second angle? UFE. علي. طيب علي وحيد.
Yes.
يلا, how do we measure the second angle UFE? Where should I place the center now? وين بدي احط السنتر at which point? U or F or E?
F.
At F. طيب والزيرو لاين وين بدي احطه؟ على اللاين FE. ما هيك؟ أنا بدي أحرك البروتراكتور شوي، بده يكون هو touch the line FE. Okay teacher?
Okay.
Like me. طيب علي وحيد. Look at my protractor. Zero is written where? Out or in?
Out.
Outside. Use the outside scale till you reach the point U اللي هو هيدا اللاين. يلا.
Yes.
Zero. Count. 10.
Yes. 0, 10, 0, 10, 20,
30. يلا يلا علي.
40, 50.
مكفي لفوق. لوين بدك تكفي لتوصل لعند أي نقطة؟
The U.
اليو. طيب وصلت لعند اليو ولا بعد؟
Yes, yes.
So it's how
40.
much?
40.
40 degrees. برافو. So هيدا اللاين أنا فيني طوله قد ما بدي. So it's 40 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes.
تيتشر
Yes علي غريب.
بس أنا عندي محطوطة اليو على 50. I don't know why.
No, it's 40 degrees. And here we said it's 130.
Maybe because he didn't put the zero line on the FE.
الزيرو لاين بده يكون على الاف اي. بدك تلوقه شوي مثل الانجل، مثل شكلها للانجل يا علي.
بالضبط عشان ما يطلع شيء.
بلا تيتشر. يس.
Yes.
أنا
طيب
ماسكة
علي غريب, please tell us what is the nature of KTC
nature.
that measures 130?
It's obtuse.
Obtuse angle. Excellent. طيب
تيتشر
علي سأسوق.
Yes.
What is the name of this angle that measures 40 degrees?
UFE.
UFE. Excellent. علي هاشم. علي هاشم. علي هاشم.
Can I do it?
Can I?
سيرين عبادة.
Yes.
What is the nature of this angle that measures 40 degrees?
Acute.
Acute angle. Excellent. سيرين شاهين. طيب سارة الأمين. سارة did. سلمى did. دانيال صعب.
Teacher me.
Sarah, you did. Danielle?
Yes.
Danielle, name the last angle. How do we name it?
E.
There is no E, there's O.
G.
G what?
G.
G,
H.
H,
O.
O. Okay. Dana Gharayeb, how much does it measure this angle, ya Dana? No need to measure it using a protractor. How much?
180.
Bravo. Why? Why,
Because
ya
it's
Dan?
Because it is a straight angle.
Bravo. So it looked like a straight line. طيب حلا شعيتو.
Somebody said it.
حلا
Yes.
شعيتو. What is the
Yeah.
nature of this angle that measures 180 degrees? Straight
Straight.
angle. Excellent. يلا copy them.
teacher, I finished this
On the-
the book.
Okay, يلا get ready to do the second one.
Teacher,
I finished only on
Yes.
the book.
Teacher,
أنا-
the second one alone. Answering. Somebody said the answer.
Yes, Ahmed Alauddin and he muted.
teacher, we have to measure only one that E we don't يعني E ما بنحتاجها.
Do number 2.
Did you copy exercise one?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher, can you
Teacher, we will do number 2.
Yes.
Teacher, I did number 2 alone.
طيب can I move to question 2? Yes teacher. Yes على غريب.
teacher, can you go to page 108 only to take a screenshot because I didn't finish.
100 what?
108. 109. 109.
I erased them.
Okay.
With just exercise 5. Take a screenshot of question 5.
Sabbat.
Okay, yeah.
I erased the question
teacher
4.
Yes, teacher, I took. You can
Okay.
remove.
Yes على غريب.
بس ما مش ضروري نعمل مجر للإيه بس واحدة يعني بس اليوم نعمل إيه ما
ايه بس
بدنا
نحن بنحط الزيرو لاين على الاي اف، على اللاين اي اف، بنحط السنتر على الاف، بنعمل كاونتنج من الاي لليو قد ايه. يعني الزيرو لاين you have to make sure that the zero line should touch the line FE.
What we're gonna do now?
Teacher,
Number 2 and where?
Who didn't understand exercise 1? Tell me please. Any question about exercise 1? It's so important. Who didn't understand? So when I say name, you have to name it by using 3 letters. When I say measure it, use a protractor and measure it. Nature means acute, straight, obtuse, or right. Okay?
teacher, when we want to do the exam, we'll use a protractor.
بعد مش عارفه كيف ما نحط الاسئله بالبروتراكتور، صعب نحطها على السيستم. يمكن ما بعرف، ما انا اجيب لكم فيجر بحط لكم اياه كايمج. ممكن
أو داونلود.
اوكي داونلود لا ما عادش ينحط داونلود لانه بيعلق كثير.
لا مش داونلود، انه نحن نعمل داونلود
يس
حاطينها مثل هاي بنسحبها وبنلعب بعملها امتحان.
طيب exercise 2.
تنقلها.
exercise 2 calculate x.
مش حليت
اوكي
غلط.
طيب حلا نجم your turn. حلا نجم.
Yes.
حتعملي مثل ما هديك المرة عملتي داونلود؟
لا ما في داونلود. التغى الاكزام يا اريج on Thursday اوكي لانه it's holiday.
Okay.
طيب حلا شعيتوا؟
Teacher, yes.
Yeah. Calculate x in the adjacent triangle. ال x هي this angle, the third one. Okay? نحن هن سموها x. هي ال missing angle. So ال x means the missing angle. Okay?
Okay.
طيب. We know يا حلا, what is the sum of all angles in any triangle?
180
Bravo. So let's write first the sum of all, or let's write it here. Let's write it here. Wait a minute.
Teacher, this is حلا نجم, not حلا شعيتو.
Yes, حلا نجم. Sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. We said you have to study it. طيب. What shall I do first يا حلا in order to know the missing angle؟ يعني احنا عندنا 60 plus 50 plus the third angle, all of them 180.
I must join 60 with the 50. It will make 110.
Bravo. So you have to add first 60 plus 50. How much?
110.
Okay, 110. How much do we need to get till 180?
70.
70.
So we put 70
So
in the
what?
X.
برافو. طيب أنا عم بعمل counting من ال 110 لل 180. So what I'm doing here? How do we write the equation?
plus
I'm counting from 110 till 180. How
From
much? It's 70.
protractor.
We are subtracting. Excellent. So if we subtract 180 by 110, the answer will be 70. So
Yes.
X اللي هي ال missing angle 70 degrees.
teacher I made it correct.
But you have to write like me, same way, okay? دايما أنا حتى ألاقي ال missing angle we have to write two equations, okay?
minus and
equations.
plus.
Minus and the plus. The first equation we will add the two given angles. The second one we subtract the answer by the total اللي هو 180.
Teacher,
Yes, Adam.
I don't know 60 plus 50 plus 70 equal 180. I don't do.
No, you have to write two equations لأنه أنا بالإكزام بجيب لكم two equations. بكل equation بدكم تكتبوا الجواب لحاله, okay?
بس أنا كمان عملت مثل آدم ما حطيت subtract.
لا you have to write like me please.
Okay.
It's correct teacher, but it's better to write like me.
عشان نتأكد كمان.
So دايما the sum of all angles in any triangle equals how much?
180
180 degrees.
and in any quadrant.
teacher حنلحق نعمل بعد question 3.
We still have a minute. حنبلش فيه ل question 3 بس يخلص الوقت من وقت.
Starting.
Miss question 3
Can I
كان
start
مثل
with it?
الكتاب. teacher كان مثل
Yes.
الأسئلة اللي
Yes, أنا عشان هيك
Teacher,
أعطيتكم
can I-
إياه homework.
Yes.
Can I start with
Teacher, I couldn't make it on
Less than
laptop,
1
so
minute,
I
so
made
we
it.
can't start with question 3.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Bye.
easy.
يلا copy question 2 please.
Teacher,
Bye,
I can't
teacher.
when we are done, we leave it.
Yes.
we can see them. Bye.
Goodbye علي سقسوق.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Can I who is still writing question 2? Yes, Farah, bravo.
Teacher, this is the homework.
بس teacher
Yes.
مش بدي فرجيك على الإرز صح بس وبروح.
Show me.
Bye, teacher.
Show me. برافو علي, برافو. برافو.
كلهم صح؟
Yes. مصطفى نجم. برافو.
Teacher, is mine correct?
Yes, Farah, I said yes.
Okay. Bye.
Goodbye. يلا can I move to